Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an upgrade to Oracle's VirtualBox. I have an existing version on my computer and we're going to upgrade it to the latest version. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to go into the launch pad and I'm going to go to my VirtualBox application. So I'm going to click on that, open it up. And you can see I have 3 emulators here, but what I want to do is I want to go up to the menu and I'm going to go to VirtualBox and I'm going to click check for updates. So it's saying here a new version of VirtualBox has been released, so it's 6.1.4 and it's available. I can click this link for the download, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now and then we'll install it. So my VirtualBox is downloaded. I can click on this DMG file. So again, this is for a Mac system. Okay, so now we have our options of what we want to do here. You have a user manual if you would like to read that. There's the VirtualBox uninstall tool over here. We're going to click on the VirtualBox package file and double click that. And this is going to run just to determine that the software can be installed. Okay, so we're at the introduction. You can click on continue. It's just telling you how much space is required on your system. If you wanted to change the default location, you could click on change install location. I usually use it as leave it as a default. I usually leave it as a default location. So from here I just click install. I'm going to enter my password, which allows for software installations, and now it's installing the files. So Oracle VM VirtualBox is a great software package if you would like to use other operating systems. I like to run Linux, I like to run a Windows machine on my Mac, and it's just a great way of being able to utilize different operating systems with an emulator. So now it says it's successful. I can click on close. And do you want to move the Oracle VM VirtualBox installer to the trash? I'm going to say I'm going to keep it for now. I can go through and delete that at the end or afterwards. And then here I can click the X to close that window. So if I go in my launch pad now, I do have my VirtualBox icon here. I just want to double check that it hasn't installed a second one. So that looks fine. Click on VirtualBox. Okay, and so now the VirtualBox has been installed, the manager has been installed, and this is the area where you can start to add new operating systems, new emulators that you want to run. So that's very basic how to install the software so you can run different operating systems on your computer. I hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. savvytechgirl@gmail.com. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you around. Thanks for watching.